Stage 2 of the Project 8 Bootstrap responsive. HTML5 and CSS3 allow you to create animations directly into the HTML page without using Adobe Animate or JavaScript. It allows you to animate specific elements and properties. Click on the Max Width 767 Media Query and then click on the plus sign right below it. Select Max Width of 767 is already input because that is the media query display that we're in. And then select your design CSS style sheet. In your code pane, you should see the media query now added to the bottom of your code with the max width of 767 pixels. Place your cursor after the closing bracket and hit return, and then add code for the feature section. Max height of 55 pixels. Semicolon, overflow, hidden. And a closing curly bracket. The max height allows the object to extend up to a certain height, up to 55 pixels, which we've defined here. Then any content that extends beyond that height will be hidden because of the overflow property. You can also assign other property values of auto, or scroll, which adds scroll bars to the element. Inherit would apply the overflow value of the parent element. And visible causes all the content to be visible even if it's outside of the element boundaries. Save all, stay in the extra small layout. Then select the shopping H2 element. Use the tag selector to make sure that you select the entire div. Open the CSS transition panels under Window, CSS Transitions. Click the plus sign to create a new transition and type in the class feature section and then select hover. So we're determining the event that will trigger this transition. So when you hover over it, then the transition will occur. Under duration, I'm going to type in 0.5, delay of 0, and then the timing function we want to choose linear. If you want it to speed up or slow down, you can choose one of the ease in or ease out options. And we're going to choose linear for an even timing. Then click on the plus button under property and select max height. For the end value, type in 999 pixels and create the transition. Show the design CSS code. Look at the media query with the feature selection code at the bottom. We have the WebKit transitions is added to all. Because CSS3 is still in development and not adopted by all browsers, these browser prefixes are automatically added. And this is applied to all, so the same transitions will be applied to all the properties in the animation. You can see the duration of 0.5 seconds, the linear timing, there's no delay, and it's set to hover with a minimum height of 999 pixels. Now you can go to View or turn on the Hide Live View displays and you can test the animation. If I go to File, Save All, I can test it in my browser. And you can expand your browser to see the transitions in the different sizes. And this concludes stage 2.